soalan percubaan. So make sure you guys focus. Okay, very important one. Okay. Alright. So we will start with paper 2 first. Okay, kita akan mula dengan kertas 2. Okay, so this is your first question, guys, in paper 2. Okay, so this question is basically testing you on angles. Okay, sudut. Basically is your mathematic menengah rendah lah. Okay, your lower form maths. Okay, so guys, can anyone tell me what is your answer for X? Direct give the answer. Terus bagi tahu apa nilai X. Tak perlu panjang cerita. Direct to the answer. What is your X value? Because this question is considered easy. Soalan ni senang. Okay. Some more. More people. What is your X value? Apa nilai X? Come on. Try and see. Okay, 16. Some more. Lagi orang. What else do you think is your X value? 16. Okay, some more. Only 3 people so far. Lagi orang. I need more answer. What is your X value? 24. Okay. All right. I think enough already. Okay, guys. So what you must understand here is no one get the correct answer. Semua jawapan kamu salah. Okay. You see first. Okay, first of all, guys, may I know PQRS? What do we call this? Can anyone tell me? PQRS. Ada satu nama untuk yang ni. Siapa tahu? What is the name for the PQRS? The whole thing. What type of quadrilateral? More specific. Quadrilateral inside a circle. What do we call that kind of quadrilateral? Bukan pelengkap. Kalau ada quadrilateral dalam sesuatu bulatan, apa nama quadrilateral? Yes, cyclic quadrilateral, right? Ataupun quadrilateral bulatan. So guys, in cyclic quadrilateral, what is the concept you all learn? Kamu semua belajar apa? Opposite angle, if you plus, you will get 180. Am I right? Sudut bertentangan kamu tambah dapat 180. So means that if 82, I plus with S, I should get 180. Do you understand? So this is the equation I can form. So I can find my S lah. So just tekan calculator, your S will get 98. 98. Okay? All right. So now, what will be your X value? Can anyone tell me? Apa nilai X? Okay, so you guys can start to press calculator lah. Okay, so wait, where is it? Okay, 180. Wait. Sorry guys, sorry. This method cannot. Yang ni tak boleh because I forget to see. Your 74 is actually this whole angle. Okay, 74 ni seluruh sudut. So cannot. You cannot use that method. Okay, if you want to find, no problem lah. You just find and label 98. Okay, so what other information can we get here? Okay, so this angle over here, 43. So guys, anywhere else you think will be 43? Ada lagi tempat sudut dia 43? Yes or no? If you see the diagram. Beside, beside you mean beside? Is that what you mean? Beside? Guys, they tell you TSU is a tangent, you know. So guys, TSU, you must be a straight line. So if you want to find PST, you just take 180 minus 98 minus 43. So this angle is 39, actually. Do you understand? It's not 43, 39. Okay. Wait. Okay, so you can actually find the Y first. It's easier to find Y. Okay, so if you find Y, let me count and see just to confirm. Yeah. Okay. So guys, you can find TPS angle. Kamu boleh cari sudut TPS. So 180 minus 74. So you will get 106 if not mistaken. Yeah. 106. So now guys, you can find the Y, right? Kamu boleh cari sudut Y. So Y plus 106 plus 39 equal to 180. Okay, jumlah sudut segitiga is 180. So you will get Y equal to 35. Do you understand guys? Macam mana cari Y? You can find y first. Kalau kamu tak mau cari x dulu, just find y first. Easier. Okay? So you will get y equal to 35. So now, how do we get the x? Okay. So let me see. Okay. So one thing you must understand, the 74 is actually SPQ angle. Okay. And then this 43, what is the use? The 43 will actually come over here. Do you understand? YQ plus S equal 180. Because opposite angle in a quadrilateral is the rule. Opposite angle in a cyclic quadrilateral total always 180. Okay, sudut bertentangan dalam quadrilateral bulatan kena 180. Okay, kena faham yang tu. Kamu tak boleh tanya mengapa. You cannot say why. That is the rule. Itu adalah hukum dia. Kamu kena ingat. Tak boleh persoalkan dia. Okay, just like that. 74 minus 43. Okay. Yes. Okay. So guys, this angle here is actually 43. Okay, SPR. Yes, correct. So this one is actually 31. Okay, you must understand, guys, the concept of exterior and also interior angles. Okay, sudut luaran dan sudut pedalaman. So guys, when you see that it can form this kind of shape, right? Kalau ada bentuk macam ni kan, 43 at the outside is equal to 43 inside. You must see the connection. Tengok bentuk dia. It connect, right? Dia ada sambungan kan? So if it connect this way, 43 outside, 43 inside. Wait lah. Okay, yes, you can count already. So 180 minus 98 minus 43. Okay, X you will get 39. 39. Okay, you focus on PRS triangle, guys. 43. This one just now I got 98, right? 98 plus 98 plus X equal to 180. So you will get X equal to 39. 39. Understand, guys? Boleh faham? So then you guys just add up the answer lah. Okay, because they want you to find X plus Y. So kamu tambah dua-dua jawapan. Okay, just add both answer. Then you will get the answer. Okay, are you clear, guys? For question 1, boleh dapat soalan 1? Clear? How to solve? So maybe it's slightly tricky. Dia sedikit susah sikit lah. Okay, so you guys must know the concept how to solve. Okay, can Okay, so we continue. Okay, so for question 2, they ask you calculate the difference in perimeter. Kamu kena cari beza perimeter. Okay, so basically very simple lah. You just add up everything, tambah semua. Okay, so this one is x plus 4, this one x plus 3, 2x plus 2, x plus 1. So you count the perimeter one by one. Cari satu per satu. Okay, this perimeter and this perimeter. So then, okay guys, may I know which one will have, wait wait for a while guys. Let me see. Oh, I think over here the question not so clear guys. The question actually want you to find the exact value. Mereka nak cari nilai sebenar. Tak boleh bagi jawapan dalam sebutan X. Okay, when they see this kind of question, right guys, you must give exact value. Cannot give answer in term of X. Do you understand, guys? Because they say calculate the difference between perimeter. So you need to give an exact answer. So basically you must solve quadratic. Kena selesaikan persamaan kuadratik. Okay, so you count one by one first. Okay, so guys, tell me the first one. What is the perimeter that you all get? Kamu semua dapat apa? Perimeter yang pertama. Anyone? 4x plus 14. Okay, yes, you will get 4x plus 7, 14. Okay, second one. What is the perimeter here? 6x plus 6. Okay, very good. Okay, so now you just find the difference first. Cari perbezaan dulu antara dua-dua ni. So guys, tell me, if you minus these two, what is the difference that you all get? Apa perbezaan kamu dapat kalau kamu tolak dua-dua ni? Can anyone tell? What is your answer? Okay, you must be smart guys. Kamu kena bijak. Mana kena tolak dengan yang mana? you must understand which one to minus with which one. Okay, got two type of answer, right? Okay, the correct answer is actually 2x minus 8. You must take this one minus this one, guys. Okay, why like that? Because perimeter must always be positive. Am I right? Do you understand? Perimeter selalu kena positive. But if you put negative 2x, let's say x value I get positive. Katakan nilai x saya positive. Then I have a chance that my answer is negative. Am I right? Because I times negative 2. So that's why you must make positive 2x. Okay, this is the concept you guys can use. Okay, if you don't want to find this, it's okay. Kamu tak perlu cari beza dulu. You just maintain these two expression. Tinggal macam tu, then you see the question. They say it have the same area. Ada luas sama. So how? You just find the area lah and equal to each other. Samakan dua-dua luas ni. Okay, so you will just get this equation, area, and then expand until you get quadratic. Okay, kembangkan dan susun sampai dapat bentuk quadratic. Okay, you must get this general form for quadratic equation. Okay, then you factorize, so you will get x equal to 5. X sama dengan 5. So guys, can I have x equal to negative 2? Yes or no? Adakah ini boleh? Jawapan saya, cannot Okay, very good. Because we talking about lengths. Okay, panjang selalunya kena positive. So this one cannot. Okay, so now x equal to 5, you just substitute. Gantikan kat sini. Sebab kita nak cari beza perimeter. So this one you will get 34, 34, and this one you will get 36, 36. So guys, what is the difference in perimeter? Final answer. Apa beza perimeter kat sini? Adakah kamu akan cakap negatif 2 atau 2? Mana yang betul? 2 atau negatif 2? Two, right? Common sense lah. Okay, kamu kena ambil nilai besar, tolak nilai kecil. Okay, take the larger value minus smaller value. Okay? Yes. So your answer is equal to 2. Okay guys, do you understand this question? Ada apa-apa yang tak faham? All clear? So this question you have 5 marks in total. 5 markah. It's quite a lot. Okay, so make sure you score all the mark. Okay? Alright. So now we come to question 3. Soalan ketiga. Okay, so for this question, they ask you to calculate the difference. Okay, beza jarak rumah Fatima ke sekolah. Okay, Fatima to school and market to school. Okay, so basically you just fill up the information. Okay, so post office 10 and then market. Okay, you must understand guys, all the distance here is from Fatima's house. Jarak semua ni dari rumah Fatima. So this one is our reference point. Kita kena rujuk rumah Fatima always. Okay, and then this one is 26. So guys, may I know what is this distance? Can anyone tell me? Pejabat pos to pasar, berapa? How much you get? Yes, very smart. Okay, the answer is 5. 15 minus 10. Okay, you will get 5. Okay, this one, how much? Market to school. Okay, very good. 26 minus 15. Okay, so answer is 11. Okay, so now you can see the question. Distance of Fatima house to school. Okay, so the distance is 26. Okay, and then market to school, 11. Okay, so basically you're comparing this value and this value. So what is the difference, guys? Apa perbezaan dia? Can you tell me? This one kindergarten also can do lah. Budak tadika pun boleh jawab. Okay, the answer is 15 km. Am I right? Okay, jawapan dia 15. But guys, can I write my answer like this? Yes or no? Boleh tulis jawapan ni untuk menjawab soalan ni? Can I answer the question like this? Okay. Must read the question carefully guys. Kena baca betul-betul. They ask you in cm. So guys, 1 km, how many cm? Tell me. 1 km berapa sentimeter? You must know the conversion. Kena tahu penukaran. So you tell me, 1 km, how many cm? Cepat. This one is basic, guys. Basic of maths. Yes, very good. 1 km is 100,000. Where got 1,000? Cm, guys. Soalan tak tanya meter, centimeter. So guys, careful 1 km, 1000 meter. Okay, this is basic. 1 meter, 100 centimeter. So guys, if I want km to cm, apa jawapan dia? So 1000 kali 100 lah. Okay, you take 1000 times 100. That's all. So then you will get km to cm. Okay, do you understand? So the answer is times 100,000. Okay, kamu kena kali 100,000. So your answer will get like this. Ini jawapan dia. Okay, so is this my final answer, guys? Yes or no? Adakah ini jawapan akhir? Can I write my answer like this? Yes or no? Okay, why cannot? Kenapa tak boleh? Yeah, cm already. Correct already. I changed to cm already. Yes. Okay, must be 3 significant figure, guys. Yes, bentuk piawai. Okay, standard form. Soalan dah kata bentuk piawai. So you must follow. Okay, so how to convert? Basically, you take 1.50 times 10 power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 10 power 6. Okay, boleh faham guys? Macam mana tukar? So you must have your answer like this. Tak boleh bagi jawapan dalam bentuk lain. Only one answer is accepted. Satu jawapan saja. Okay, because they say 3 significant figure. 3 angka bererti. Okay, are you clear guys? With question 3, boleh dapat? Any problems? Clear? Okay, so we go question 4. Soalan keempat. Okay, so for question 4, hari ini akan bincang semua soalan dalam kertas 2. So maksudnya 16 soalan lah. Okay, 16 soalan kertas 2 dan beberapa soalan objektif. Okay, so yeah, so you guys must be alert all the time. Don't get sleepy very fast. Jangan mengantuk. Make sure your mind focus. Try to do the question also. Kena buat soalan sambil saya ajar. Okay, alright, so now they ask you, this one is insurance. So form 5 chapter 3. So they want you to find gross premium for third party fire and theft. Okay, kamu kena cari premium kasar. Okay, so they tell you the basic premium 1307.32. Okay, so how do we start guys? How to find gross premium? Macam mana cari? This is very simple. Sangat mudah. Because they already give you the value here. Yes. Okay, you take comprehensive times 75%. Okay guys, if you want shortcut, 25% discount. Kalau 25% discount maksudnya tinggal 75% sajalah. Okay, so that's why you can take 75% terus kali dengan nilai ni. This is a faster method lah. Okay, yang ni lebih pantas. If you want the longer method, you just times 25% first, then take 1307.32 minus this answer. Tolak jawapan ni. You will also get the same answer. Okay, understand guys? Boleh dapat soalan ni? Sangat senang lah. Okay, it's very straightforward. Basically, you must understand the concept of discount. Okay, faham discount? Kamu boleh buat soalan ni. That's all. Okay, any problem so far that you want to ask? Ada apa-apa nak tanya? Nana, if you got question, make sure you ask. Kalau ada soalan, kena tanya. Okay, so now, question number 5. Okay, this one is 3 go. So you need to sketch this graph. Kamu kena laka graph ni. So guys, is my scale important? Yes or no? Adakah skala penting bagi soalan ni? Answer. Cuba jawab. Skala penting tak? Kalau dia suruh laka, sketch. Okay, remember. Okay, scale is not important when you sketching. Okay, tak penting. So means that you just logic lah. Kamu lukis secara logic. If logic, you will get the answer. Okay, so you can see over here. Okay, so basically you just need to substitute the points. Okay, gantikan saja titik dalam persamaan ni. Okay, so you can sub x is 0, 90, 180, and then what else? 270, 360. Semua nilai ni kamu boleh gantikan. Okay, just substitute in the equation, cari nilai y. Okay, find your y answer. So then you will get this graph. Okay, so 1 point, 2 point, 3 point, 4 point, and 5 point. Okay, so actually all the value is 0 lah. Okay, but you can find other points also. Kamu boleh cari titik lain. Okay, example 135. Okay, in the middle. Kamu boleh gantikan X sama dengan 135. And then 225 in the middle. And then 315. So ini semua titik tengah. This one is the answer scheme problem, guys. Ini jawapan skema salah. Sebenarnya kena sentuh. Okay, all of these will touch one, guys. It's just the answer scheme problem. It's like this. Okay, understand? So it really touch one. Dia sentuh. Okay, cuma skema ni tak sangat tepat. Okay, okay. So do you guys understand the graph? Yes or no? Boleh faham graph ni? Okay, so how they give you the mark? So basically you must draw with following by the domain and range. Okay, kamu kena ikuti julat yang dibagi. Julat situation does not touch. It depends on the equation of the graph. It depends on your equation. For this equation, it will touch lah. Okay, teacher, can you explain again the question? Is it first step? Yeah. Basically, we always use this angle for any type of graph. You must understand. Whatever the equation of your trigo graph, this is our basic angle. Sudut asas kita akan guna yang ni selalunya. But sometimes if you want to plot more point, we can use angles like 135. Okay, you can take this as suggestion lah. 135, 225, and also 315. This is the extra 3 that you can use. 45 also can. 4. Okay, 4 in total. The basic is 5, including 0. Do you understand, guys? Boleh faham? So actually, if you plot more point, you can see your graph clearly. That's why we plot more point. If you plot less point, it's harder a bit. You may not see the shape of the graph. Because you substitute the point in the equation, you substitute x equal 90, cari nilai y. So maybe you will get y equal to 1 and then y equal to 2. So then kamu boleh tentukanlah sampai mana nak label paksi y. Okay? The question is coming. Don't worry. Now I'll ask you all how to know the amplitude. -1. What do you mean? Apa kamu maksudkan? -1. Angela, I don't understand. Okay, so now, what is your amplitude here, guys? Can anyone tell me, based on my graph over here, what is the amplitude you all get? Anyone? Can you comment? So you must know how to see amplitude in your graph. Yes, very good. The answer is 3, guys. This is the equilibrium position. Okay, titik keseimbangan ataupun kedudukan keseimbangan. So guys, you see the height lah, -1 until 2. So 2 minus -1. So amplitude is 3 lah, 3. Understand? So this is your answer for amplitude. And then period. So duration. Okay, duration actually mean period in other words. So apa tempo bagi graph ni? So you must know how to find tempo. This is the second part. So anyone? What is the period you get? You can see direct from the graph 1. It's very simple. You can direct tell the answer. No need to count anything. Tak perlu kira apa-apa untuk tempo. Just direct give the answer. So anyone? 2 guys. First question. Period, we see x-axis or y-axis? May I know? Tempo kita lihat paksi x atau paksi y? Kalau kamu semua belajar fizik, kamu tahu. Physics in period, we see x-axis or y-axis. No need to talk about maths, guys. We talk physics. Physics period, you see x or y. X, right? So maths also see x lah. Same thing, right? Benda sama. So you have to see x-axis. So period is for what? Is for one complete cycle. Am I right? Satu kitaran lengkap. Satu tempo. One period. So guys, where is the complete cycle here? It's very simple, right? You can see. It stopped here. This is one cycle. So what is the angle, guys? 180 lah. 180. Do you understand? So your answer is 180. Okay? Are you clear, guys? How to solve it? Boleh? Clear, right? Very simple only. Okay, if let's say you don't know how to use the graph, you can use an alternative. There is actually one formula that you guys learn how to count period. Do you guys remember this formula? Masih ingat tak rumus ni? Have you guys seen this? B equal to 360 over period. So guys, your B value, nilai B dalam persamaan ni is 2. Am I right? So you guys just substitute 2. So your period equal to 180 also lah. Masih dapat jawapan sama. Okay, tempo kamu 180. Okay, so you can use formula or you can use Raja terus. So the value -1 is using degree. Yes, guys, modern maths we always use degree. Am I right? Ad maths only got radian. Sesiapa ambil ad maths, kamu tahu radian lah. But for modern maths, confirm our angle only in degree. Don't use radian. Okay, now we are doing modern maths. All right. I saw got question use 720. I don't think so because the basic formula is this one for sine and cos. Okay, sine and cos you will use this formula one. Okay, so I maybe 720 is because 2 cycle. I think so. That's why they use 720 because different graph they will modify differently. But basically if you use this formula, right, always correct one. Selalu betul rumus ni. Okay, just don't forget this formula because it's not given in front. Okay, all right. So we go to question 6. Soalan ke-6. Okay, so for question 6, we are talking on probability, kebarangkalian. Okay, so they want you to complete the tree diagram to show the possible outcome. Okay, so this is the tree diagram. Okay, very simple. Okay, so tell me guys, when your tree diagram like this, what is this value? May I know? Apa nilai yang tu? Very simple lah guys. Faster. Apa nilai dia? Yes, 5/7. Am I right? Because total must be 1. Always remember. Okay, so this one, what's the answer? Yes. Okay, 1/6. Correct. Okay, so that's all. Kamu dah selesaikan. Okay, so next one. They ask you to determine whether the event is dependent or independent. Okay, so guys, you see this one. Without replacing, tanpa pengembalian. So yang ni bersandar atau tidak bersandar? Dependent or independent? Without replacing. Keyword, without replacing. So anyone? What's the answer? Okay, some more. Without guys, tanpa penggantian. Without replacing. Think logic. No need to memorize. Tak perlu hafal. You think logic and see. If I don't replace the thing inside, kalau saya tak gantikan, adakah nilai kebarangkalian akan berubah? Will my probability value change? Yes, right? Because you never replace inside. So my total will decrease. Jumlah kebarangkalian akan berkurang. Dependent means the probability of first event will affect the probability of second event. Kebarangkalian dia saling mempengaruhi. That is dependent. So like this, without replacing. So means it will be affected lah, akan terkesan. So that's why your probability will decrease. Dia akan berkurang jumlah. Okay, the value at the bottom. Okay, so that's why your answer is dependent or bersandar. Okay, are you clear guys? Can get it? So make sure you know without replacement, dependent. With replacement, independent. Okay, remember this. Kena ingat. Okay, so now they ask you probability at least a vowel is chosen. Okay, so at least mean greater or equal to, right? Okay, ini adalah simbol sekurang-kurangnya. So they want at least one. So means that this one, this one, this one. You have 3 case. Am I right? Yang ni boleh tak guys? Can I use this one? At least one vowel. KK boleh tak? The last one. Can or not? This one. Anyone? Boleh ke tak? Can I use that one to count? I want at least one vowel. Sekurang-kurangnya satu huruf vokal. Okay, can? No problem. Yes. If anyone want to use concept of 1 minus pun boleh. You can use like this for question number 3. Boleh. Okay, you can use this concept. So you will get 1 minus 5/7 times 4/6. So dapat jawapan sama. Okay, or if you want to do one by one, also can. Means you do this one plus this one plus this one. Tambah ketiga-tiga ni secara berasingan. Okay, plus them separately. Okay, so you will get this answer. Okay, make sure a symbol in the middle is plus guys, because it's different cases. Case yang berbeza kena tambah. Okay, so that's why we plus in the middle. This is one case, this is the second case, this is the third case. Three separate case. Okay, do you understand guys this question? Clear? Question 6, are you okay? Any problems? Can I ask where sir get the question? This one is trial 2023, 2023 percubaan, one of the states, salah satu negeri. Saya ambil untuk bincang. This is the whole paper I just take to discuss with you guys. Okay? So it's maybe coincidence lah. Maybe your teacher take from this trial also. Okay? All right. So now, this question. Okay, you guys like, right? This topic, graph of motion. We see question very confusing. Which part you confused? Basically, you are counting at least one vocal. Am I right? Or one vowel. So basically, you just see the one with letter V lah. Okay, V. This one can. Okay, this second one can. This one also can. At least one V. So 2V also can, because at least mean one or two or more. But the maximum we have here is 2. That's why we stop at over here. So you can count all these 3. This is the first method. You plus everything, all the probability based on your 3 diagram. Or the second method is you take total minus KK. So total minus 2 consonant, you will get at least 1 vowel. Okay, so that's why this is the second method. Yes. Yep, correct. With replacement is independent. Okay? Okay guys, can we continue? Boleh pergi lagi ya? Okay, so question 7. They ask you the duration in second when the particle is moving with uniform speed. Okay, so faster. What's the answer guys? They ask you the duration, uniform speed. 1 mark only, 1 markah. So direct answer. Yes. Okay, duration means time lah, masa. So this is uniform speed, laju seragam. Okay, so that's why your answer is 9. Okay, very good. Okay, next one. Rate of change of speed, last 4 seconds, 4 saat terakhir. So this one. So guys, rate of change of speed means what? May I know? Kadar perubahan laju tu maksud apa? Kena cari apa kat sini? This is a keyword. They always use this, rate of change of speed. So what you should do? Yeah, guys, if this come out in trial, of course, SPM will be something similar like this lah. Confirm one. Okay, so it won't be different. Yes, very good, Shuven. The answer is correct. Okay, you should get 5.5. Okay, guys, I know most of you will get negative, right? But whenever you see the word speed, right, laju, remember, speed does not see direction. You guys learn physics, right? Laju tu quantity scalar kan? Scalar ada arah tak? Tak ada kan? Okay, scalar only have magnitude. So magnitude means jawapan kat sini hanya kena positif sahaja. Only positive answer. Although your gradient here is negative. Understand? So maybe you get negative 5.5. Then you write a conclusion down there. The rate of change of speed is 5.5 ms negative 1. That will be your final answer. Yes, memang kena guna gradient formula. Of course. Yes, fraction can, no problem. Pecahan boleh. Okay, so first step, of course, you must find the gradient here. Okay, then only you can get the answer. Okay, so you take 0 minus 22 over 20 minus 16. Okay, so your answer will get 5.5. Okay, actually it's negative lah from calculator. Okay, but you just take the magnitude. Okay, ambil nilai dia sahaja. Okay, so it's 5.5. Understand guys? Boleh dapat how to answer question B? Can You can also write 11 over 2. Okay? Alright. So now, they ask you, calculate the value of P if the total distance. Okay, so guys, total distance jumlah jarak, we refer to what? Based on this graph, kita kena lihat apa when you're talking about total distance. Very good. Okay, you must see area under the graph. Okay, luas bawah graph. Correct. Okay, so basically you can see a trapezium, one large trapezium, and also one triangle. This is the concept. So you take area of trapezium plus area of triangle. That's all. Okay, so just remember your formulas. Okay, so you can do this step. Okay, this one they combine. They do one shot. Let me see. P plus 22. Okay, I get their concept. Okay, so you can actually do directly if you don't want to, what to say, waste time. Okay, you can actually find the answer directly. But I think over here they never show the step quite well. Okay, they say the total distance. Oh, sorry. The question says 7 seconds. No wonder. Okay, tempo 7 saat pertama. Sorry guys, I didn't see the question correctly. Only this one guys. Mereka nak yang ni saja. Sorry. So you just use the trapezium lah. Okay, very simple. P plus 22 times 7 equal to 91. So this is your equation. Understand guys? Then you just selesaikan for your p value. Okay, so your answer will get 4. Okay, you should get 4. Are you clear? Can get it? Question 7. Very easy, right guys? Siapa kata mathematics susah? Who say math so difficult? It's just like close your eye also can do lah guys. Tutup mata pun boleh buat lah. Ayo, so simple. Free mark lah guys. You guys cannot score this, then very kesian lah guys. Okay, so now another simple question. Lagi soalan senang. Rate of speed is same as average speed. No, it's different. Okay, rate of change of speed, you see gradient. Okay, average speed is total distance over total time. Whenever you see the word average, your formula must have the word total. Total distance over total time. But rate of change of speed is just distance divide time. Do you understand? So the word total is the difference over there. Score A easy or not? Depend on you lah guys. I cannot say generally score A easy or not. Different people, different standard, right? In maths. Setiap orang ada tahap berbeza dalam subjek ni. So for me to say generally easy or not is hard. Easy only lah. And maths baru susah. Okay, correct. That one I agree. But I cannot tell generally. Ini variation, yes. This is variation. So guys, they say T varies inversely with the square of number of workers. So this is your equation. Okay, ini persamaan kamu. Okay, take note they say square, kuasa 2. So n square. Okay, so now they ask you to find P. Very simple. First step, convert variation to equation, add constant, tambah pemala. So guys, will you use this one or this one to start your working? Kamu akan mula dengan nombor 1 atau 2? Which one? Yes. Okay, of course you start with number 1 lah, because you must find the K value. Okay, kamu kena cari nilai K. So 12 equal to K over 3 square. Okay, this is your starting. Find the K answer first. Okay, then write back the equation. So then just substitute the second set, yang kedua. Okay, so n equal to 4, T equal to P. So then you can find the answer. Okay, simple, right? This one you do, you get 4 marks, guys. Kamu buat yang ni saja 4 markah. So easy, 4 marks you get. Surely you can score lah, guys, this kind of question. If SPM come out like this, I guarantee you guys are smiling inside the exam hall already lah. Semua orang senyum. Okay, so now question 9. Okay, this one a bit harder. Soalan ni lebih susah. So this one is about locus. Who don't like locus over here? Siapa tak suka locus? And maths also got locus. Sini pun ada locus. This one is lower form. Mathematics menengah rendah. So you must know how to do, guys. Very important. Okay, so basically you just must imagine. Imagine only, nothing else. Okay, so they tell you locus X is equidistant from PQ and QR. So guys, how to equidistance? And maths no drawing for locus, correct? So they want you equidistant from PQ, QR. So how? Your locus will be here lah. Am I right, guys? Can you see it's equidistant? Dia sama jarak kan? Kiri dan kanan. So this is your locus X. That's all. So you just draw like this and label X. Angle bisector. Yeah. You can say it's angle bisector. Okay, this is the angle. So it will divide equally. Dia akan bagi sudut sama rata. Okay, you can think like this also. Okay. And then the next one, Ry equal to YQ. So means that how you going to draw? Ry sama dengan YQ. Okay, so it's again going to be a straight line. So basically you guys just need to draw perpendicular bisector. Okay, lukis pembahagi garis serenjang, garis QR. Okay, just draw perpendicular bisector. And make sure it's the same distance guys. Okay, kamu kena bagi jarak sama. So you guys can use compass if you want. You know, right? Compass. Have you all seen compass? Hopefully you guys got used before. I also don't have here. Hey, wait. Got. Let me show you all. How does a compass look? You must use this one when draw. You all use this, right, guys? Kamu semua guna yang ni kan? For locus, you must use this instrument, compass, to draw the line. Kamu kena lukis garis macam ni kan? Ke atas. So yang ni kena guna yang ni. You must do this to draw. What if exam tak bawa? Kamu pinjam dari kawan lah. Very simple. You just borrow from your friend. Guys, use common sense lah. That one I no need to tell you. Am I right? If you tak bawa, it's your problem. Tak boleh lukis. That's why susah. Actually still can draw. Tapi mungkin tak sangat tepat lah. Okay, berbanding kalau kamu ada yang ni. If you have this one, it's slightly more accurate. That's why you bawa. Correct. Okay, so guys, where is the intersection point? Mana titik persilangan? This one, right? So you just mark X at the point of intersection. Okay, this is question number C. So means kalau C na betul, A dan B kena betul. If your A and B wrong, C also wrong. Habis. All the mark is gone. Okay? Question C depend on A and B. Okay? Alright. So your answer will look something like this. Okay, so this is how you draw. Locus is need to really focus on the line. Yes, correct. If you guys forget, go back to your form 2. I think it's form 2, if not mistaken. Tingkatan 2 kot, if not mistaken. You see the textbook, how to do. Form 3 yeah. Okay lah, form 3. Can repeat locus Y. Locus Y, they say Ry sama dengan YQ. So basically, it must be equidistant lah. It's the same concept. So Y. So you just need to draw perpendicular bisector. Means these two lengths are the same. So this is your locus Y. So can you see Ry and YQ? You must understand guys, all the point on this line is actually Y. Semua titik atas garis ni adalah Y. So you just compare lah this distance and this distance. It'll be the same lah. Dia akan sama. Okay? So that's why your line like that. Okay. So now question number 10. The last for section A. Okay, this question also very easy. Straight line, garis lurus. So they want you to find the coordinate of C. Okay, so they tell you this information. Okay, AO to OC, ratio 1 to 4. Okay, ini adalah nisbah. So guys, tell me, what is your coordinate C here? Don't wrong This question, if you're wrong, memang you go back to lower form. Kalau salah, pergi mendengar rendah dan belajar balik. Very simple lah guys. Tell me, what is your C coordinate? I already found my first victim to send to lower form. Kamu kena pergi mendengar rendah balik. Guys, the rest, what is your answer? Guys, this kind of question, if you get wrong, I don't know what to say lah. Okay, so what is your answer? Coordinate C. Come on. Cepat. What is your C coordinate? 80, right? Guys, how you get 40? Macam mana dapat 40? The distance here is 2. Am I right? So 2 ratio 8. So distance must be 8. That's why the coordinate is 80. That's all. Okay? Don't confuse. Okay, jangan buat silap. Okay, so it's just one mark only. 80. That's all. Okay, next one. They ask you to find the equation for BC. Okay, so for BC, you must find coordinate B. Am I right? So tell me, what is your coordinate B? Yes, correct. That's the problem with mathematics. The question is related. So habislah if one thing wrong. Okay. Yes. Okay, coordinate B, you should get 0, 2, guys. Okay. So you use the ratio over here. So BD equal to half OC. OC equal to 8. Okay, so BD equal to 4. This is BD. So BD is equal. Okay, they are sama. So that's why this one is just 2. And this one is negative 2. You must divide equally. Kena bahagi sama rata. Atas bawah. Okay, so then you can form the equation already. You have B coordinate, you have C coordinate. So you can form BC. Okay, so first step, find the gradient, cari kecerunan. And second step, find the C value, your y-intercept. Okay, y-intercept actually you guys got lah, is the B coordinate. Okay, coordinate B is your y-intercept. So you just need to find gradient. Cari kecerunan, habis. Okay, so your gradient is basically 0, 2 and wait, sorry, 0, 2 and 8, 0. Okay, so you can find out 0 minus 2 over 8 minus 0. So answer is negative 1 over 4. Okay, difference between C and y-axis is the same thing. C is y-intercept. So y-intercept is on the y-axis lah. Logic. Okay, so C is the value on the y-axis. Nilai kat paksi y. That is the C. Okay. So you can either choose to write your answer like this, or you can also write your answer like this. No problem. Okay, kamu boleh tulis dua-dua cara. Both also can. Okay. Alright. So are you guys clear with the whole of section A? Boleh dapat guys? Bahagian A dah habis We all done already. Section A. How can I go and delete the question? Wait guys. Let me add back the question. Y and C same value Wait let me find first. Where is the question? This one. Basically, right, Y value, it doesn't need to be on the y-axis. Example I show you over here. Very simple. Never mind. I use this one. Okay, guys. For those that don't understand the difference between Y and C, Y, example, I got a coordinate here. Coordinate E. And I tell you the coordinate is 8, 4. So this 4 over here, this is it your C value? May I know? Adakah 4 ni nilai C? Is C equal to 4? Yes or no? No, right? So what value is this? This is Y value. Am I right? Nilai Y. But let's say now, I got another coordinate F. 06. So guys, this 6 is what? Is it Y value? Adakah ini nilai Y? 6? C value, right? Actually, it can be your Y value or C value. Yes, dua-dua pun boleh. But for this one, only one. Y sahaja. Do you see the difference, guys? Kena bezakan. You must differentiate these two. Okay? Alright. So now, we come to section B. Okay, so for section B, first question, it is logical reasoning. Okay, so for logical reasoning, because it doesn't touch, yeah, correct. Okay, so guys, may I know, is this one a statement or not a statement? Tell me, pernyataan atau tidak pernyataan? Okay, some more? What do you think? Pernyataan or not pernyataan? Are you sure, guys? Are you sure? No. Yes, the answer is yes, guys. Dia adalah pernyataan. Okay, it's a statement. Why is it a statement? Because the truth value can be determined. Nilai kebenaran boleh ditentukan. That is the reason for a statement. The answer is yes. Yes, correct. Okay, because you can substitute any X or Y value. Kamu boleh ganti apa-apa nilai kamu suka. X or Y. Okay, and then you test and see lah. Is it correct or wrong? You must understand guys. Statement does not mean it is always correct. Tak semestinya pernyataan kena betul. Dia boleh palsu juga. Okay, statement can also be false. It's just whether you can get the truth value. Truth value means what? True or false. Am I right? Nilai kebenaran tu boleh jadi benar, boleh jadi palsu. So that's why it's called a statement. You can find the truth value. Understand? Do you guys get it? Can or not? So the answer is statement, pernyataan. Okay, don't get wrong, guys. 1 mark only. But it's a very precious 1 mark. So don't hilang di satu markah. Okay, so now this one they ask you to form compound statement. Basically ayat majmuk lah in DM. So guys, this one I think Tadika also can do lah, guys. You just combine these two statements lah and add the word n inside. Okay, so you just put x plus y equal 2xy and 1 power 0 plus 10 power 0 equal 2. That's all. So you just write the word n over here. Then done. Okay. If bukan pernyataan, how? Exclamation mark, question mark. These two, not a statement. Bukan pernyataan. Kamu belajar BM kan? Ayat ayat tanya dan ayat apa nama satu lagi? Yang tu lah, ayat perintah, ayat penyata. Penyata tu statement lah. Seruan, correct. Okay, correct lah. Make sense, right? So this one statement or not statement is ayat penyata lah. For BM. So you can apply to maths also. Okay, same concept. Okay, so if you think of that, confirm you can answer. The answer is just put, but the marks is 2 only. Oh, this one is 1 mark. This one is 2 marks. That's why total 3 marks. Okay. So first part 1 mark, second part 2 mark. So this is how you write, guys, the answer. So you must answer like this. Then you will get 3 marks. Okay. All right. So now question B1. They ask you to write an implication. Implikasi. So guys, how to write implication? Implication format is if P, then Q. Okay, jika P, maka Q. So you guys just follow lah. Okay, antecedent is P and consequent is Q. So then just write out the answer. Statement because got equal symbol doesn't mean equal symbol you must still see the situation. Kena nampak soalan. It doesn't mean got equal symbol is statement. Okay, you must see carefully. If basically you can put any x or any y value inside, then that is called statement. Do you understand? Kalau kamu boleh letak apa-apa nilai x dan y yang suka, itu adalah pernyataan. You must test like that. Okay? Can? Alright. So now you just copy back lah the answer. Okay, so you will get if m square plus 4 square equal 5, then m equal to 3. Okay, for BM macam ni lah. For English, you just write if and then. That's all. Okay, all right. And then next one, they ask you to write the inverse. So guys, tell me, what is the format for inverse? Tell me. You must remember. How does inverse look like? Just type for me the general format. Saya nak format untuk songsangan. So anyone? Inverse. Yes. Okay, you just need to change sign. Okay, so yes, you use negation. So this is the format. Okay, so if negate P, then negate Q. Kamu guna penafian. So basically equal, you change become not equal. That's all. Sama dengan jadi tak sama dengan. Then this is your answer. Okay, settle. Okay, next one. Question C. Inductive conclusion. Kesimpulan induktif. Okay, this one very simple because they give you the pattern. Sudah ada pola. So your formula is, what is your formula? Can you all tell me first? Tell me how you answer this question for 2 marks. 2 markah. You must know how to write the answer because there is certain format untuk tulis jawapan. Okay? Are you sure N only? You must modify, guys. Don't just follow exactly how the question show. You must break down some more. So you can break down like this. Okay, you can write 1 as 1 square. It's n square, right, guys? N kuasa 2. Can you see this? You must simplify. You cannot just direct write as n. Okay? Because usually our pattern, we always want the n value to be 1, 2, 3, 4. Kita nak selalu n kita sama dengan 1, 2, 3, 4. You must remember. So you need to modify until you can get n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Boleh faham? So this is the concept. Okay, so you will get this one. So this is your answer. Okay, so remember, you must tell your n value. Kena bagi tahu nilai n untuk jawapan. Okay? Can guys? Do you get it? So kita dah habis soalan 11. Okay, so now question number 12. Okay, so question 12 is on taxation, percukaian. Okay, very famous lah guys. Section B, percukaian, very famous. You must know how to do. Okay, taxation. Okay, so first question, they ask you to count the income tax payable. Okay, so annual income, okay, minus donation, tolak sumbangan, tolak pelepasan, tax relief. Okay, so you just minus everything and then you see the table. Okay, so when you minus, you will get the answer. Wait, I need to count and see. 45400 12630 500. Okay, you will get the answer this one. So guys, may I ask, this one is chargeable income, right? Pendapatan bercukai. So is there tax rebate? Yes or no? Ada tak lebat cukai when your value is this one? Yes. Okay, always remember there is an RM 400 rebate when your chargeable income is less than 35,000. Okay, kena kurang dari 35,000. Yes, then you will get rebate. Okay, so remember, kamu kena tolak kat akhir. Minus at your final answer. Jangan tolak kat awal lah. Don't minus on top. Tolak kat akhir at the end. Okay, so you refer this one. So first value is 150. And then the second value, you must take 32270 minus 20,000 times 3%. Then you add up both answer. Tambah dua-dua jawapan. Then you will get the final answer. Okay, so this is the working step over here. Okay, so can you see guys? This is chargeable income. And then this is the balance. After you take 32270, tolak 20,000. Okay, you will get this answer. Then 3% plus with base tax, cukai asas. Then minus 400. Okay, because tax rebate. Okay, so this is your final answer. Jawapan akhir. Understand guys how to do it? Clear? Macam mana kira cukai pendapatan? So this is income tax. 4 marks you will always get if you count like this. Okay, so now part 2. Okay, so for part 2, they are asking on PCB. Okay, so guys, RM80. So RM80, this is for 1 month. Remember, 1 bulan. So you need to times by 12. So the answer is 960. First step. Second step, okay, they ask you, should he increase his income tax payment? Yes or no? Dia perlu menambah lagi tak cukai pendapatan? Okay, just now our answer was RM, let me see, 11810. Okay, so this is PCB, this is tax. So guys, perlu tambah lagi tak? Yes or no? Compare these two value. Do I need to add up some more tax? Yes or no? Okay, no need, right? Tak perlu kan? So basically you just say tax less than PCB. So you can count, boleh kira beza antara dua nilai ni. You just find the difference, you will get RM 841.80. So guys, this one is what? Nilai ni adalah apa? Dia adalah refund daripada IRB. Okay, IRB will always refund this amount if PCB greater than income tax ataupun LHDN lah. Okay, for BM. If more than means opposite lah. If tax more than PCB, then you must pay. Kena bayar kat LHDN. You must pay. If opposite, like this situation, LHDN, bayar balik. Okay, the IRB will give back the excess tax payment. Okay, guys, you must understand. PCB is what the policy holder pay. Ingat, PCB adalah apa yang kita semua bayar. Yang ni adalah wang yang diperlukan untuk bayar. Faham tak? PCB tu apa yang dibayar. Yang ni adalah wang yang diperlukan untuk bayar. Okay? Do you guys get it? So this one is basically what we pay. This one is how much in total you need to pay. Okay? Can? Okay, so now question B. So question B, they're asking you calculate the tax for the first half year. Okay, very simple. This is property assessment tax. So you just take 4.5% times 4280. Okay, can I stop my answer there? Yes or no? Boleh tak saya henti macam ni saja? Think and see. Can I stop my answer like this? Yes or no? For this question. Okay, remember, see the question carefully. They say half year, setengah tahun pertama. So you need to divide your answer by 2. Kena bagi 2. Remember. Okay, they will catch you. If simple question like this, mereka akan main macam ni. So make sure you guys don't fall into the trap. Okay, so the answer is 96.30. Okay, are you clear guys? Question 12? Boleh? Can, right? Should be no problem, right? Okay, so now we come to question 13. Yes, PCB more than tax. PCB more than tax. PCB more than tax, IRB akan bayar balik kat kamu. Excess payment. Because PCB tu adalah apa yang kita bayar. Tax tu adalah jumlah yang perlu dibayar. So kalau kita bayar lebih daripada apa yang diperlukan, mereka akan pulang balik lah. IRB is Inland Revenue Board. English lah translation. Okay, for BM is Lembaga Hasil Dalam Negeri, LHDN. I think you're more familiar with LHDN, right? IRB, you guys never hear before. LHDN, always you guys will hear. So Lembaga Hasil Dalam Negeri. Okay, so for this question, they ask you to complete the table. Okay, this one is of course your Form 5, Chapter 7 lah. Okay, statistic part. Okay, so guys, they want you to calculate cumulative. So cumulative, basically you guys just add up lah. Okay, just tambah semua. Very simple. Okay, so final answer is this one. Okay, so upper boundary, sempalan atas. So this one is 30.5. You just plus 0.5 only for all the answer. So your final answer should get like this. Okay, ini jawapan dia. I think this one nothing much, right, to explain. Okay, this one is quite straightforward. Okay, all right. So for part B, they ask you to draw ogive. Okay, guys. So ogive, x-axis, what do we plot? Can you all tell me? Ogive. Paksi X kita lukis apa for ogive? Yes. Okay, remember upper boundary, sepadan atas for paksi X. Okay, so your ogive will get something like this. Okay, so you just plot all the points that you have in your table just now. Okay, remember y-axis is cumulative frequency. Kena longgokan, must be cumulative. Okay, so you will get this answer. Okay, any problems for anyone drawing ogive? Anyone here don't know how to draw ogive? Siapa tak tahu macam mana buat? You must know, don't know, basically you just complete all the points only lah. Okay, just sambungkan semua titik saja. Okay, you just need to draw a smooth curve. Lukis bentuk yang licin for your lengkung. Then you will get the answer D. Nothing much. Okay, just plot all the point and draw. Polygon kekerapan is basically straight line. Guys, frequency polygon or polygon kekerapan is something like this. Is straight line one. Ogive is curve. Do you understand? This is frequency polygon. Boleh dapat tak guys? This is an example. Yes, correct. Ogive, your line must be smooth. If it's not smooth, you will lose mark. Kamu akan hilang markah kalau tak licin. Okay, you see how they mark your ogive. This is the marking scheme. So you see how they give mark. Okay guys, can you see here? 4 marks. First mark, you must draw according to the correct scale. Skala betul. Okay, so you must follow all the scale. And now you see this one. These 2 mark, you must plot all the point correctly. Semua point di-plot dengan betul, 2 marks. You see the last mark, guys. Last mark, you see this. Smooth curve. If it's not smooth curve, you won't get the final mark. So you will lose 1 mark. If not smooth curve. Kalau lengkung tak licin. Okay? X-axis can write 30.5 straight away. Yes, no problem. You can always start like this, guys. Kamu boleh mula macam ni. Tak ada masalah. Okay, because we want uniform scale. Can you see, guys? Skala dia seragam kan? All plus 5. That's why we start with 30.5. Then only your scale uniform. If you start with 0, how can uniform? Not uniform, right? All the type graph like ogive, polygon, and more is always y-axis upper. No, x-axis upper boundary, y-axis cumulative. You see here. Okay, y-axis is cumulative frequency, kekerapan longgokan. Okay, but guys, you must understand, cumulative frequency is only for ogive. Remember, okay, only for ogive. Histogram, frequency, polygon, only frequency, y-axis. Cumulative, only for ogive. Remember, y-axis not start from 0, is fixed. It depends on you actually. There is no fixed rule. Tak ada arahan yang tetap. It depends on you, how you want to start. Basically, I like to do like this. Saya suka cara ni. Okay, because I want my scale to be uniform. Skala seragam. That's the point over here. Okay, usually ogive, you must always touch the x-axis. Kena sentuh paksi x. So that's why you see it touch. Ogive cannot terapung. It cannot be floating on top here. If your ogive something like this, let's say your ogive start here and you start to draw, this one don't have. Salah. It must touch the x-axis always. Okay, understand, guys? Are you clear with your graph? Any problems? Should be okay, right? Okay, so now question C, you have to count the standard deviation, sisian PY. Okay, so basically you just refer your data over here. Okay, so for standard deviation, you must always find the midpoint first. Kamu kena cari titik tengah. Okay, so midpoint basically you just plus and divide 2. Okay, so these are all the midpoint. You just count one by one lah. Okay, you will get the answer. Okay, you must use only midpoint for standard deviation. So now you can apply into the formula. Okay, so standard deviation formula is fx square over sum of f minus mean square. Okay, this is CCN PRY, standard deviation. So all type of graph like ogive, polygon, and more is always y-axis upper. No. X-axis is upper boundary. Y-axis cumulative. Terbalik. Terbalik the one you said. Y-axis CF. Okay, x-axis upper. Okay, so for this one, you will get what is it? This is the formula. Okay, ini rumus dia. So then you guys just substitute lah one by one. Okay, but make sure, right, you must use frequency only when you apply for standard deviation. Kamu kena kira kekerapan sahaja. Okay, so this is how you guys can count the frequency. Okay, wait, let me show over here. This is for the frequency. Okay, basically you can count like this. Then you will get the answer. Wait, 5 plus 2, 7. Okay, this one is 9. And then 14, 16, 10. You must draw another column for frequency. Okay, kena buat satu lagi column. This one 12, 22, 31, 38, 8. And then 20, 30, 39. Okay, so your answer here is 4. Okay, so this is your frequency, guys. Formula mean, yes, mean is equal to sum of fx over sum of f. Okay, so this is how you find mean. So then you guys just substitute in the formula, count the answer. Okay, can guys? Soalan 13 boleh? Are you all clear with it? Can we go on? We are already ending paper 2. Nah, habis dah. Okay, so for question 14, transformation. Okay, so for this one, can I know what is your scale factor over here? Anyone? Okay, so you can use the information here. 3PR equal to 6TS. So you can compare and see. 3PR equal to 6TS. So they tell you TRS, this is image. This one is object. Tak susah lah. It's actually easy to score. So PR, okay guys, when you find scale factor, the formula is always image over object. Am I right? Okay, kamu kena ambil image bahagi object. So it's equal to 3 over 6. So it's equal to half. So the answer is tengah. Okay, so just remember K equal to image over object. Okay, now is the time for you to understand guys the chapter. Kalau tak faham bab ni, focus betul-betul this question. Got, surely have. Form 5 chapter 5 I got. Just search my YouTube one. I did teach that chapter in detail, all the subtopic. Okay, so this is how you get lah for scale factor. Okay, ini adalah nilai dia 1 over 2. Okay, alright. So now A2, they ask you to find the area for the whole diagram, luas seluruh wajah. So basically this one you can count area of triangle only. Okay, so since the scale factor is 1 over 2, my name, just search my name, will come out. Then you will get the answer. Okay, so this one is 9 guys. TS is 9 because PR equal to 18, right? Based on the question. So you can find TS. So TS is equal to 9. Okay, so this triangle, you can count the area, luas. So half times base times height. So answer 18. And then the other one, okay, so guys, may I know if you understand what is your PQ length? Can you all tell me? Thank you for the link. Wait, I need to pin this one so that I think Kai only can pin so that everyone can see easier. Okay, so now this one will get 8, right? 8. Okay, because RT is 4, so PQ is 8 lah. Because object is 2 times larger than the image, 2 kali lebih besar. So every length, setiap panjang sepadan kena kali 2. Okay, you must times 2. Okay, so now this one is half times 8 times 18. Okay, so the answer is 72. So 72 plus 18. So final answer 90 lah, because they ask you the whole diagram. So this is the answer. Okay, clear right? Understand right? 5 marks. 5 markah macam tu saja guys. So simple. 5 marks. What's so difficult guys about this chapter? Not difficult lah. Okay, so now this one they tell you JLMN is the image of EFGH. Okay, so EFGH object. This whole thing is the image. Besar punya. The whole thing is the image. Okay, so now you all tell me VW. Okay, so guys, when they say WV, which one come first? May I know? Yang mana datang dulu? W or V? Combined transformation? Yes. Okay, always start from the right, go to the left. Okay, kanan ke kiri, always. Okay, so now tell me, what is your V transformation? Quite easy. You can see quite clearly. Oh, I see. Because a lot of marks. 10 marks, guys. This question, 10 markah is a lot. So that's why you must get correct. So anyone? What is the first transformation you can think of? So first thing, you must focus on this one. So this one is the object. You want to go to this one now. So what is the transformation? Yes, reflect, right? You can reflect over here. It's just a mirror. Anggap sebagai cermin. So this one, the equation is y equal to -1. So you just say reflection in the line y equal to -1. Okay, pantulan pada garis y sama dengan -1. Yes. Okay, so this is the answer. So this one you will already get 2 marks. Okay, 1 mark for reflection, 1 mark for your equation. So take note guys, markah dia berasingan. Is separate marks one. So you must have both to get 2 marks. Okay, this is technique menjawab. Okay, all right. So now W, what is the transformation? Yes, that one is 1 mark. If you don't write that, 1 mark you will lose. Okay. Yes, enlargement, right? Okay, so what is the scale factor over here? Apa faktor skala soalan ni? Quite simple. You can see the diagram. So anyone? What is the scale factor? Yes, 2, right? This one is 2. This one is 4. So 4 divide 2. So that's why the answer is 2. This is your scale factor, nilai K. All right? But where is the center of enlargement, guys? Can you all tell me? Mana pusat pembesaran? Usually the center of enlargement is the hardest one to find. Paling susah. But this one is quite easy to see. So anyone? Where is the center of your enlargement? You must tell in your answer. Which situation scale factor negative? Okay, I show you over here. These two situations, scale factor is negative. Kalau pusat pembesaran di tengah-tengah antara objek dan image, maka faktor skala dia negatif. Senang macam tu. If your center of enlargement is the center between object and image, your scale factor negative. Understand? So you have two situations lah. ICO or OCI. I and O is object image lah. Okay? Understand guys? Boleh dapat? So just remember this one. Okay. All right. So where is your center, guys? May I know? Yes, this one, right? This one is the center. Okay. How to see center? You connect all the lines. It pass through this point, right? Intersection point. Titik persilangan. So that's why that is your center of enlargement. Understand? So this is how you write the answer. Okay. You must write complete like this. First mark, enlargement, pembesaran. Second mark, scale factor, 2. Third mark, center of enlargement, pusat pembesaran. So total 3 marks. One question only 3 marks guys. Satu pernyataan saja 3 markah. Can you see here? 3 mark, 2 mark. So you must have all the keyword. Kata kunci penting. Okay? So very simple. You can score 5 mark just like that. As long as you have the keyword, you will get the answer. Okay, always is like this one in the exam. Just follow. Okay, ikut saja macam ni. Okay, guys, are you clear? Question 14. Any problems? Okay, so we come to the last question for section B. Okay, guys, who don't like this chapter? Plan and elevation, guys. Plan dan dongakan. You must know how to do this, guys. Mati-mati kena tahu. 9 marks, guys. 9 markah. Jangan main-main. It's a lot. If you don't know how to do, your maths is at risk of not getting A+. Boleh tak tulis faktor skala K equal to 2? Kan? Tak perlu. Kalau kamu kata faktor skala, itu maksudnya nilai K sudah. So, kamu kata satu saja. Kalau kamu kata faktor skala, terus tulis 2. Kalau kamu kata K, tak perlu tulis faktor skala. Faham tak? Sebab faktor skala sama dengan K. Dia benda sama. So, jangan ulang 2 kali. Benda sama. Kalau kamu type macam tu, kamu maksudkan KK sama dengan 2. Faham tak? Macam pelik kan? Kamu ulang 2 kali. Okay? So, pilih satu. Confirm got? Not really. Guys, SPM latest trend, right? Don't have this question. If you see your past SPM 2023 and 2022, soalan ni tak keluar. So that is the only benefit lah you guys have. The last 2 SPM soalan ni tak keluar. But for this SPM, I don't know. Because trial sudah keluar. So if usually trial question come out this chapter, right? Mean SPM high chance dia boleh keluar for section B. Okay? So you must know how to do. Okay, start. They ask you plan of solid. Okay, so plan means you look from on top. Am I right? Plan. Okay, this one is total imagination guys. Kamu kena bayangkan saja. Tak ada apa-apa kira-kira. No counting. Total imagine only. Okay, so guys, if you look from on top, what do you see? Kamu nampak apa? Yang ni kan? The most bottom one. So you draw this one lah. Kamu lukis yang ni lah. Just draw this one. Yes, correct. But of course, you must see other things also lah. So guys, can you see this line? Nampak yang ni tak? JM. So JM, if you go down, right, you will see another line here. Ada satu garis kat bawah. Okay, because of JM. And then do you see this line? FG? FG, it will come over here in the center. So this is how your image look like. Do you understand? So this is how you get it. From the base, you must modify based on all the line. You must just basically imagine you're compressing the object lah. Kamu ke tengah mampatkan objek ni. Push it down. Then you can see the image. Okay? But the question like find volume or the pi. For plan and elevation, they won't ask one. Plan and elevation standard, they will ask you to draw only. Okay? Just need to draw only. Tak perlu kira apa-apa. Usually. Okay, just draw. Okay, are you clear, guys? How to get it? So this is your answer. Huh? So make sure you must label all the point. Kena label semua titik and use the correct measurement. Kena ukur guna pembaris. Don't simply draw, guys. You must really measure one. The measurement important. Don't think the teacher won't check. Jangan fikir cikgu takkan ukur satu persatu. Cikgu akan ukur. The examiner will check one by one. If this one you suddenly draw 5 cm, habis, gone. Your whole thing is gone. So measurement is important. They will check. Don't think they won't check. Okay, so you can see how to get 4 marks. Okay, first mark, you must get the overall shape correct. Seluruh bentuk tu betul. Okay, and then solid line. Okay, all is solid line, then only you get 2 marks. Third, they will check your measurements. The last 2 marks is basically measurement. Can you see, guys? If you don't draw correctly, 2 marks will go on already. Ukuran kena betul. And also your angle. Angle must be 90 degrees. All this angle here when you draw, 90 darjah, everything. Make sure it's 90. Don't sengit. Your line tak boleh sengit. Kiri kanan. It must be straight. Then only 90. If I put EBCN to the left, still can. EBCN to the left. What do you mean by to the left? I don't understand. Oh, now I get it. Wait, EBCN. Do you mean like E/B, something like this? Or something else? Or the shape. Shape you must follow. Exactly. You cannot change the shape, guys. You must always draw based on how you see on top. So don't switch the position between these two shapes. Jangan tukar kedudukan. You start from this way. Okay, you see from the left to the right. Kiri ke kanan. So you will get this shape. Basically, it's like you guys just rotate this whole shape. Can you see? Originally like this, right? You rotate, the shape becomes straight so that you can draw. So guys, when you rotate, you get like this, right? Kalau kamu cuba putarkan, you get this answer. Am I right? Then you just tambah garisan lah. One garisan here, another garisan here. Understand? Yes, wajib. You must write the alphabet and measurement. Have to. Okay? Guys, one more thing. Don't tipu the measurement. Jangan tipu ukuran. You must be really sure. When you draw time, you must use the exact measurement. C/B cannot write like that. Can? No problem. But you must see whether can or not lah. Okay, if you see this question, okay, you can write K/B. Okay, if you want to write like this, can K/B, because K is on top, B is bottom. So you can write K/B. And then what else? V/J/R also can. If you want to write, if you want to use slash, no problem. You can write like this. But if you're not confident, no need to label the letter. Kalau kamu tak yakin sangat, jangan label yang ni semua. You don't need to label letter. I think letter is not wajib, but measurement is wajib. Measurement memang you must write, but letter not really wajib. So if you guys not confident what letter to put, you don't write lah. Simple as that. Okay? Are you clear, guys? Boleh dapat? Okay? Can letter wrong, the minus mark. Letter wrong, minus mark. Yeah, will minus mark one. Akan tolak markah. Memang will tolak markah if you label wrongly. Do you guys understand? So if you want to label, make sure your answer is totally correct. Okay, must be correct one. Okay. So if you're confident, very confident, just label lah. Okay, no problem. All right. Okay, so then question B. So for question B, they ask you Y. So if you see from Y, what is the shape that you get? So you will see this shape. Am I right? You will see like a trapezium. So it's like this. This is the shape. Do you understand? So you just push the object to the back. Okay, tolak saja ke belakang. Okay, so now wait guys. I think there is an extra shape. Wait, let me see again. Okay, there is an extra shape over here. Okay, originally it's like this. Am I right? Okay, but then there is an extra over here. okay, you will see that there is a bit of an extra shape. This one. How do I draw this shape? Wait, guys. Because it's overlap. Okay, this line, you must maintain dotted. Okay, because soalan ni is putus-putus, right? It's a dotted line, so you guys just maintain dotted line. And then, okay, wait. This one. Okay, guys, when you compress, right, you will actually see that this one is higher compared to this one. Can you see it? ST lebih tinggi dari EF. So if you compress, means that you have to add up. Kamu kena tambah lagi sikit ketinggian. Okay, you must add the height. So this is how your shape will get. Can you see it, guys? Boleh nampak tak? Okay, because of this one is higher a bit. Dia lebih tinggi sikit. Okay, that's why you must add this shape over here. Kena tambah yang ni. Okay, are you clear, guys? Boleh dapat? Can Can guys? Okay, so make sure you add the shape over there. Okay, because it's slightly higher. Okay, so when you draw, you will get this one as your final answer. Okay, so make sure here is dotted line. It must be dotted. Okay, kena garis putus-putus. Alright. Okay, so any problems with plan and elevation, guys? Ada apa-apa masalah soalan ni? Are you clear with it? So habis tadi bahagian B. Okay, can Okay, so now we come to section C, bahagian C. Okay, so for section C, I will only do one question. So you guys tell me which question you want me to do. Kamu semua nak pilih soal mana? 16 or 17? So you guys see the question lah. You tell me which one you guys want. You tell the harder question. This one is 17, 17. So which one? I follow majority, guys. So 16 or 17, everyone comment. Kamu semua nak mana? Selepas lihat soalan. Sama? I need more people. 16 or 17? Okay, majority 17, So I discuss 17 lah. Alright, because majority already say 17. Okay, so we start with question A. Okay, so for question A, is simultaneous. They ask you to use elimination or substitution. Okay, penggantian atau penghapusan. Okay, so they tell you first day 275, second day 310. Okay, so basically you can form the equation 5x plus 8y equal to 275, and then second 9x plus 7y equal to 310. 310. Understand, guys, how to get the equation? Are you clear? Boleh dapat kan? Okay, so x and y basically will represent the price. Okay, x dan y ni mewakili harga, pandan layer and dates layer. Okay, you must write the assumption. Kena tulis anggapan. X equal to price of 1 pandan layer cake. Y equal to price of 1 dates layer cake. You must write something like that. Okay, so that examiner dia boleh tahulah apa maksud X dan Y kamu. You must show the examiner what is your X and Y. Okay, so you will just solve simultaneous lah. So guys, over here, will you use elimination or substitution? Tell me which method you will use. Okay, you can use elimination. So basically you times 9 over here, you times 5 over here, then you minus both equation. You can do like this. Okay, so then you will get the answer. Kamu akan dapat macam ni. Okay, then you will get these two answer. Very straightforward, right, guys? Saya tak perlu tunjuk langkah kan yang ni. This one is very basic lah, guys. Especially those take and maths, you guys know this every single time lah. No need to show also. Okay, 4 marks, 4 markah. Okay, all right. For this one, they ask you to count the volume. Okay, isi padu. I will send the PDF, guys. Don't worry. No need to screenshot one. I will send the PDF. Okay. So now, they ask you the volume for small cake. Okay. So first step, you must find the total volume. Kena cari jumlah. Okay. So how do we find the volume here? Okay. So first of all, you need to convert lah to base 10. Okay. Kena tukar yang ni kepada asas 10. Okay. So how to convert? I think you guys know, right? Okay, 52 base 8, 5 times 8 power 1 plus 2 times 8 power 0. Okay, this is how we convert. Okay, so your answer will get 42 base 10. Okay, and then 103 base 5, you convert, tukar. So you will get 52 plus 3 times 5 power 0. So your answer will get 28 base 10. So this is how we do, guys. Okay, so now, let me see. Okay, so first of all, 42 and 28, you must actually start to divide first. Okay, so this one is 42, this one is 28. Okay, guys, when you see there is many cake like this, right? Ada banyak cake. First of all, this side you must bagi 4 lah, because they want you to count for the small pieces. Okay, kamu nak cari untuk cake yang kecil. So means that you need to find for one cake only. Okay, so 28 divide 4, you get 7, and 42 bagi 6, you get 7. So guys, 7, 7, and what is the height? The height they already say is 7. Okay, tinggi 7. Okay, so means that you have 7 times 7 times 7 lah untuk isi padu satu cake kecil. This is for one small cake. So 7 times 7 times 7, you will have 343. Yeah, you should get 343. This is base 10 guys. Asas 10. Now they want the answer in base 6. So you need to convert to base 6. You guys know, right, how to convert. So this is the conversion. So this is the final answer. Jawapan akhir. Okay, so conversion basically you must do repeated division. Okay, buat pembahagian berulang. Okay, so you will get 1 and then 6, 3, this one is 9, right? Yeah, 9. And then 3, 6, 1. Okay, just follow the repeated division. Okay, so can you get the answer? Yes. Okay, this is the answer. Understand, guys? Boleh faham how to solve the question? Clear, right? Okay, right? Boleh kan? Okay, so next one. Okay, so for this one, it's about your box plot kotak. Okay, so they ask you, what is the range here, guys? Can you all tell me? Apa julat kamu? Quite simple. Senang. See carefully, guys. See carefully. Is your maximum 60? No, right? Maximum is not 60. Maximum is 59, guys. 59. Okay, it's one box away. So it's 59 minus 20. Okay, so answer is 39. Jawapan 39. Okay, and then interquartile range, jumlah antar kuartil. So this one is 52 and this one is 35. So the answer is 17, 17. Okay, understand how to do? Yes, Q3 minus Q1 for this one. Very simple lah. Sangat mudah. 3 marks. Okay, last one. Okay, this one is about consumer maths. So they want you to find the amount of money she needs to add. Okay, berapa lagi kena tambah? Okay, so you see the keyword, guys. Compounded. So this is compound interest. Faedah compound. So they say you must pay an advance of 20%. So guys, you see carefully. First, you must count this value lah. So you must take 20% times 350K. So you will get 70,000. 70,000. Okay. So then, this is your principal. Okay. Principal means P value lah. Okay. Nilai P, and then R equal to 5 or 0.05. And then every 6 months, guys, compounded. We compound setiap 6 bulan. So what is the number of times compounded? Can you all tell me? Apa nilai N kamu? Kalau di compound setiap 6 bulan. Every 6 months. Yes. Okay, you must take total 12 months divide 6. Okay, so N value is 2. And then T value is also 2. 2 years. So you can find lah. Use the formula. Okay, so every equal to P. This is the formula. 1 plus R over N and T. So just substitute. Gantikan semua. You will get like this lah. And then you count the answer. And then make sure you must take 70,000 minus answer. 70,000 tolak jawapan yang ni. Dari sini. Okay, because they want you to find the excess. Okay, kamu nak cari berapa jumlah lagi that you need to add. So you must take 70,000. This is what you want, guys. Kamu nak jumlah yang ni. And what you get from the compound interest is 66228.77. So you just take both value minus each other. Okay? Are you clear, guys? We already finished, paper 2. Dah habis kertas 2. Okay, so now we come to paper 1, guys. So paper 1, I will only discuss the questions that you guys want. Means you guys tell me which question you feel like cannot do only. Then we discuss. Okay, we won't discuss all the 40, Kita tak akan bincang ke semua 40 so that we can save time. Okay, so you just tell me which question you find hard, then we discuss. So I will go like 1 to 2, which question, something like that. Then you just comment the number. Okay, wait. You guys want to start from question 1 or question 40? I think question 1 better, right? 6:15. 2 hours. 2 jam saja. So we'll do this very fast. Okay. So start from question number. Okay lah, I start with number 1 lah, so that you guys don't confuse. Okay. So tell me, guys. Question 1, 2, 3. Any question you don't know how to do? 1, 2, 3. You see the question. If nothing, I will just skip. Kalau kamu semua clear macam mana buat, I won't discuss. Okay, 3 ya. Okay, so for 3, they ask you to count the speed. Laju pelari. So laju, you must see the gradient lah. Okay, because distance, time, jarak masa. So the coordinate is 0, 8, and then 20, x. So you just count gradient. Over 20 minus 0 equal to 5. Okay, so x value you should get 108. 108. Okay, so the answer is C. Do you understand? Boleh dapat? Sangat senang kan? Very straightforward. Okay, 2. Question number 2. Question number 2, they ask you to find perimeter. So perimeter, you just take 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. Okay, 2 kali panjang and 2 kali lebar because it's rectangle. So you press calculator, get the answer lah. Okay, so you just tekan. I think you will get, let me see what's the answer, donkey. You should get donkey. 9.48 times 10 power 5. Understand? This one also very simple lah. Okay, so continue. Okay, so question 4 and 5. Anything you want me to discuss? 4, 5. Any problem you find hard? 4. Okay, question 4. They ask you which is true. Mana benar? Okay, QR, x equal to -4. Wrong. It should be x equal to 4 because it's positive. So A salah. PR, x equal to 4. Wrong. Okay, y equal to 4. PR. Okay, so this one wrong. Gradient PS equal gradient QS. Okay, you see here. PS, QS. Okay, so you must count lah. Kena kira. Okay, so for PS, 7 minus 4 over 6 minus 0. So you will get 1 over 2. 1/2. For QS, you will get 7 minus 0 over 6 minus 4. So this is 7 over 2. So jawapan dia tak sama. So wrong. Okay, mereka cakap dia sama. So C also wrong. So confirm answer is donkey. Understand? You get it? So gradient of PR is 0, correct? Okay, because horizontal line, remember kecerunan selalu sifar kalau mendata. Okay? Alright, question 5, Nana. Soalan 5 tak ada. Okay, so question 6. Do you want me to discuss this one? 6? Yes or no? Anyone? Kalau tak ada, question 6, yes. Okay, I direct to the point lah. They say not true. Tidak benar. The answer is donkey. X, Y, Z are interior. No, right? X, Y, and Z are exterior. Sudut luaran. So that's why donkey salah lah. Because they say interior angle. Sudut pedalaman. So that's why 6 salah. Okay? Clear? So others confirm correct lah. Okay, interior angle is formed by 2 adjacent sides, correct? Exterior angle is when you extend the polygon. ABC interior, correct? ABC ni pedalaman, betul. Understand, guys? Very straightforward lah. Okay, question 7. Do you need to discuss? Soalan 7. Anyone? No, Okay, question 7 continue. Don't have, right, guys? Tak ada kan? Okay, next one. Question 8, question 9. Anyone? Anything want to discuss? 8, 9, 8. Oh, both also got 8 and 9. Okay. So question 8, you have to use the scale. Kena guna skala. Oh, 8 and 9. Wow, first time I see like this. Okay. So question 8, circumference 2 pi r or 2 pi j formula. So you must understand scale. Your formula is 1 over n equal to scale. Maksudnya lukisan skala lah bagi lukisan objek. Objek tu adalah objek sebenar, the actual object. This one you guys learn in Form 3. You can refer Form 3 textbook. Okay, got this formula. Okay, so 1 over 1 over 2, not DO. No. Yalah, scale drawing lah. Correct. This one is scale drawing. So D lah. Okay, lukisan skala over object. Okay, so scale is you want to find. Okay, you must find the scale. This is the object, guys. You must remember, yang ni adalah object. So you just count the scale. So scale, you will get, if you solve, you should get 30 lah. Okay, 30 as your answer. Okay, so now you can find the answer D. Okay, because they ask you to find the circumference of the new circle. So 2 pi r, you just substitute 2, 22 over 7. Jejari or radius is 30. Okay, so final answer you will get 188.57. Okay, so answer is boy. Understand, guys? Boleh dapat? Clear, right? How to do it? Can? So the answer is boy, yeah? Okay, so question 9. Question 9, they ask you to find x. Okay, so they tell you KR equal to LR. So both of these is same. So kalau CC sama, sudut sama. Okay, so you can find this angle. This angle you will get 50. So this angle is also 50. Opposite angle. Sudut bertentangan kena sama. Okay, so now this value will also be 42. Okay, because it has the same starting point and ending point. Kalau titik permulaan dan pengakhiran sama, you will have the same angle over here. This is another rule, 42. Okay, so now you can find the x lah. X plus 50 plus 42 equal to 180. So solve for x, you will get 88. 88. Okay, so the answer is donkey. Understand? Boleh faham, guys? Dua-dua soalan ni. Are you clear on it? Yes? Clear or not? Can, Okay, question 10 and question, wait. 11 not clear. Okay, 10, 11. Anything? Want to discuss? Yes, no? If no, I proceed only. 10, 11. Anything? You must comment, guys. Kalau tak ada, I just proceed. Okay, 14. 14? Guys, now I'm doing question 10 and 11. What question 14? 10, 11. So nothing, All right. So question 12, 13, 14. Okay, so for this one, anyone? Ada apa-apa nak bincang? 12, 13, 14. You guys see and tell. Proceed, Okay, 12, 13, 14, nothing, Tak ada, Okay, I think it's very basic lah. 14, Kai. 14 also you want to discuss, 14 is basic algebra lah, guys. What happened to y'all? It's on lower form. Okay, first step, factorize out the 6g. Okay, and then this one, you can factorize like this. G square minus 25. A plus B, A minus B equal to A square minus B square. That format. So now, potong, you can cancel this. You can cancel this. You can cancel G. Potong G over here. So then, this one also can cancel. Okay, so you're left with 2 minus H. Okay, so 2 minus H on top. These two salah. 3GH. G minus 5. So answer is boy. Okay, clear, guys? Soalan 14. Okay, all right. Question 15 and question 16. Anyone? 15, 16. 15 is text. 16 is basic algebra. Anything? Ada apa-apa nak bincang? If don't have, skip only, If you guys never comment, means I think I skip. Nana? Okay. So 17, 18, 19. Anything? 17, 18, 19. Any question? I think it's quite easy lah. 17. Huh? 17 guys. Guys, don't scare me lah. Plus 9. So everything plus 9. Tambah 9 saja. So negative 12 plus 9 akan sama dengan X. So X sama dengan negative 3 lah. That's all. Okay, this is pola dan jujokan. Pattern and sequences. You guys learn in Form 1, I think. Okay? Anything else? 18, 19? Nothing, Tak ada, Okay. 20, 21, 22. Any question? 20, 21, 22. Ada apa-apa? 20. Okay, so for 20 also simple. Domain is the left-hand side. Okay, so the answer is 4, 6, 8, 10. So C and D salah. Okay, all right. Range you must understand guys. Range is only the one which has the arrow. Okay, julat ada anak panah sahaja. Okay, so you cannot include number 10. 10 tak boleh. Okay, that's why the answer is A. All right, Joanna, because range you must always have the arrow on the right hand side. 10 don't have. Okay, so answer A. 22. 22 susah ke guys? Cash flow. Cash flow you just take salary plus rental minus all the expenses lah. So 6750 plus 500 minus 4600 minus 950. Okay, so jawapan you should get boy. Are you clear? Very straightforward lah. Okay. All right. So 23, 24, 25. Any question? 23, 24, 25. 25 is mathematical modeling. Memorize only. Ingat saja. 23. Okay, question 23. Yes, zakat kena tolak kat akhir. But zakat they won't ask in this one. Question 22 is Form 4 chapter 10 guys. Zakat won't come out here. Only Form 5 chapter 4. Kai, you must come to Form 5. You're still Form 4. Why you learning Form 5 things? Form 5 chapter 4 only you learn zakat. Chill first. Okay? You never learn yet Form 4. Okay, so now 25. So they say Ashanti and Hazizi. So Ashanti will just be Allah. Okay? Chill first. No need to go so fast. You go fast later, don't have energy after that. Okay, so they say Hasisi 5 times Ashanti. So 5 hours. Okay, that's why total 6 hours lah. And then they say Z 15 marks more. So 5 hours plus 15 lah. Okay, that's why jawapan boy. Understand? 15 marks more than Hazizi. That's all. Okay, anything else? 24, 25? Tada. Okay, so next one. 26, 27. Any question? Sorry, this one don't have 27. Set soalan ni, soalan 27 tak ada. So 26, 28. Any question? You guys want? 26, 28. 26, Okay, so 26, you see the format. Okay, so all A are B. This is logical reasoning. C is A, C is B. So guys, does it follow the format? Adakah dia patuhi format? No, right? So means that valid and sound confirm wrong lah. This one also wrong. It definitely must be not sound. Kena tidak munasabah. Okay, and then does it follow the form of deductive? Sorry. Is the conclusion false? Adakah kesimpulan salah? Yes. Confirm wrong lah. Okay, because it never follow the format. That's why answer donkey. Both also not. So if conclusion false, not sound. If the whole thing doesn't follow the format, not valid. Kalau tak ikut bentuk hujah deduktif, dia tidak sah. Kalau kesimpulan salah, tidak munasabah. Itu cara kamu lihat. Okay? So this is why the answer. Okay, 28 done. 28 tak ada. Okay, 29, 30. Anyone? 29, 30. Nak habis dah. Going to end already. Anything? 29, 30? If don't have, proceed. 29. Okay, so 29. How to count the sum of degree? Basically, you just count the ages. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Your number of ages is 8 over here. So guys, always remember this formula. sum of degree is equal to 2 times number of edges. So the answer is 16 lah. Okay, 8 kali 2. That's all. So answer is 16. Remember the formula. No need to count one by one. Very long. You use formula sangat cepat. You get the answer. Okay. So 30 don't have. 30 tak ada. Okay, so next one. 31, 32. 31, 32. Anyone? 32, Okay, so 32 is on your ogive. Okay, this one you just need to follow the graph actually. Then you will get the answer. Okay, so for 32, they ask you to find IQR. So basically you must find Q3, Q1. So Q3 equal to 3 over 4 times cumulative. So you will get 45, 45. So guys, if you see carefully, this one you must do on the paper so that you can see clearly. The line is actually in between these two lines. I also cannot draw because it's so thin. If I draw right, confirm you guys cannot see. It's in between like this. Can you see guys? Dia kat tengah-tengah. So guys, the value is actually 71. You must understand. 71. Okay, this value here is 71.5. The one beside. So 70.5, 71.5, middle, 71. Use the formula guys. Q3 equal to 3 over 4 times CF. Cumulative frequency. So 3 over 4 times 60. Q1, 1 over 4 lah. So 1/4 kali 60. So 15. And then answer is 55.5. This one is 71. So IQR 71 minus 51, 55.5. Okay, so jawapan dia adalah A lah, I think. Let me see. Yeah, you should get A. Okay, 15.5. Okay, can understand? So yeah, this is how we solve. Okay, 33, 34, 35. Any question? 33, 34, 35. 33, 34 kebangkalian. 35 trigo. So anyone? Any questions? Anyone? Kalau tak ada, saya skip. You don't have 35. Okay, trigo. Okay, so for this one, cos x equal to 3 over 5. So cos equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Okay, so this one times 2 means PQ also must times 2 lah. So PQ is 6 cm. Okay, you just follow the ratio. 3 to 5, 10. Sorry. Wrong. Mistake. 5 to 3. This one 10. So this one is 6. 6. Yes, I will share my working. I got do working here, siap guys, so that I can make sure my discussion is fluent. I write out the answer, how to solve, not just the answer alone. So now, how to get? So basically Pythagoras lah. This one is 8 cm. Am I right? So they say this is midpoint. Titik tengah. So 4, 4. Okay, and then this one will be 3 lah. 5, 4, 3. Pythagoras. So now tangent y equal to negative. Always remember got negative sign. Negative tangent QST. So tangent equal to what? Opposite over adjacent. Bertentangan 3, bersebelahan 4. Okay, so that's why the answer is C. Understand? For those tanya 35, boleh dapat. Just remember you have a negative sign. Remember, rumus dia macam tu. When your total angle 180 must add negative. Okay? All right. 36, 37, 38. Any question? Okay, last 5. Okay, I think quite simple lah. Dia mudah saja. 36, 37, 38. Anything? Faster. It's going to end already. Anything, guys? Tada? Don't have? Okay, last 2. 39, 40. Any question? 39, 40. Anyone? Kalau tak ada, habis. Okay, 40. 40, very simple. They ask you which one is equidistant. So PQ, the line is like this. So guys, how to find equidistant? You must find which one is equidistant from P and Q. Sorry. So basically, you guys can draw one by one. Okay, you just draw one by one and compare. Which one is equidistant from P and Q? Kamu lihat mana adalah sama jarak. You can use ruler to measure. Use ruler to check all the line. Okay, the answer will actually be A. Jawapan dia A. Okay, do you understand? I think basically the concept, it must be 90 degrees lah. Kena 90 darjah. Okay, the rest all is not 90 degree. This one not 90, not 90. This one also not 90. So only A is 90 darjah. Okay, you can use protractor to measure. Okay, guys, are you clear, guys, for the discussion today? We finished already. Okay, clear? Are you okay with the discussion? Help or not? Dia bantu tak perbincangan hari ini? Hope it helped lah. Paper 1 and also paper 2. Settle. Wow, today very efficient. Less than 2 hours. Not bad. For 2 papers, it's very fast. Wow. You guys very good lah. That means. Okay. Congratulations.